Ready to dive into Instagram ads and skyrocket your marketing game? Let's get started. Instagram ads marketing is all about using Instagram to promote your products or services to a targeted audience. You create eye-catching ads that pop up in users' feeds, stories, or even explore pages. Think of Instagram as a digital billboard. But here's the twist. You can choose exactly who sees your ad. You can target people by age, interests, and even their online behavior. To start, you'll need a business account on Instagram. Then head to Facebook Ads Manager, which is where all the magic happens. Create your campaign, choose your audience, set your budget, and design your ad. And the best part? You can track how well your ads are doing in real time. So, tweak and perfect your ads until they're just right. So go on, give Instagram ads a shot and watch your business grow.